Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brie, and today I'm back with another video. Today is day 7 of Vlogtober, and I have a really late start today. It is currently 6:37, and I am just now cooking dinner, and I am just now picking up the camera to record. Great. We actually had some work done today in our bathroom, and they were here all day, and they were loud, and I couldn't get anything done. So here we are. So right now, since it's so late, I'm just gonna make some pasta. I'm gonna make some lasagna actually, so I'll show you guys that. And I'm thinking about making some cookies. I got a snickerdoodle kit, just like a snickerdoodle kit from Walmart. I think it comes with everything, so that'll be fun. I'll try to do that. What else am I doing? Oh, don't mind my hair. It's pretty big. I picked it out yesterday because I thought I was going to try a new hairstyle, a flexi ride set. I didn't get around to doing it, so she is large, she is big. Yeah, so I'll just get the food together, and I guess you guys can come along for that. Like I said, I'm making lasagna, and I think I'll make some yeast rolls to go with it, and snickerdoodle cookies for dessert. I really want brownies, but I think cookies would be more fun for the kids, and yeah. Enjoyed that. It takes a really long time to cook when you're trying to record everything. So right now I'm just gonna have a little bit of wine while I clean up, and I'm using my new cup I got from, I think, Walmart. I'm not sure where I got it from, but anyways, it's cute. So it says witch's potion. And tonight's witch's potion is in the flavor of Stella Peach. So I'll have a little bit of wine while I wait for the food to cook, make the cookies, and that'll probably be it. I don't have like a lot going on today. It's just a random Tuesday. So, cheers. So good. Okay, so this is the final product. Okay, so it's a few hours later, and I did not make the cookies because I was kidding myself. It's too late at night. I really shouldn't have had that bread. I shouldn't have had that bread with the lasagna, but it's done now. So yeah, I think I'll just watch a little bit of Netflix, and I will do my nighttime routine. Also, The Fenty Skin, I am loving it. If you have not seen my video from today, actually, yesterday. It would have went up yesterday. You should check it out. I'll link it in the cards. I think cards, one of these. I'll link it up in the cards for you guys to watch. I am loving it. I should have known that I would love it, but yeah, I'm obsessed. And as you can see, obviously no makeup, just Fenty Skin, and I love the way it makes my face feel. So anyways, longest outro ever. My hair will probably be done tomorrow. I won't have like crazy hair tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see. Maybe I'll do that tonight as well. But anyways, I'm rambling at this point. So I hope that you have a good day, night, whenever you're watching this. And so I made a TikTok. I'll link it in the description below. Yeah, I made a TikTok and it's pretty fun. I like that it's shorter content. So check me out on TikTok as well. It's the same name as Told by Bree. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe.